Hello there, and welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a recipe that promises pure joy and a touch of everyday magic, a classic chocolate sponge cake. Imagine that rich, decadent aroma filling your home, the anticipation building as you create something delicious from scratch. This isn't just about baking, it's about crafting a moment of pure comfort and delight, perfect for sharing or savoring all to yourself. Let's gather our ingredients for this delightful creation. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder for that deep chocolate flavor. We'll also use 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk. For that perfect rise and texture, we'll add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. And, of course, no cake is complete without 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance all those wonderful flavors. Now, let's get baking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. While the oven warms up, prepare an 8-inch round cake pan by greasing and flouring it. This simple step ensures your beautiful cake will release perfectly. Next, in a medium bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Give them a good mix to ensure everything is evenly distributed. This is where the magic begins to happen, creating the foundation for our wonderfully moist and tender sponge. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I truly hope you enjoy making and, most importantly, tasting this delightful chocolate sponge cake. It's a recipe designed to bring smiles and create sweet memories. If you found this helpful, please consider following along for more delicious adventures.